What's up, everybody? I'm Random Moss Stuff, and I'm here with some Warthunder Mobile. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, thank you for coming. If you're not new here, hello, thank you for staying. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be playing some Warthunder Mobile, and let's just get straight into it. See, I might actually, after this round, do a round of ships, just because I haven't done it in a while, and I want to. But yeah. Oh, how's your day going? I hope it's going well. I know mine is. But yeah, after this round, I might, possibly, do, by chance, a naval round. That's still allowed. Always has been. I don't think it won't be. But yeah. Not too much else going on. Just decided to make another video after playing some non-mobile Warthunder, which is pretty good. Yeah. It's very rage-inducing, and then this is its little rage-inducing brother or sister. Does Warthunder have a gender? I don't care. I saw someone's face, which means it's very susceptible to machine gun fire. Bam. Don't think I didn't see you. Bang. Ooh! Really? Oh, whoa, hi. Bye-bye. We're on a roll. Bye-bye. Ooh! We're on a roll. Who's shooting them? I see. Dang it. See, I wasn't gonna go in the air battle there just because I was about to die. I didn't see him there. Which is weird. I usually actually see people. Maybe it's a glitch, but I don't know. We know where they all are now. They're all like right there. And right in this near A. Because right there doesn't really help you guys. I casually pointed at my screen and said right there, as if you guys could see that. Wish you could put your landing gear down. That'd be really nice. See, like, to land. Yeah, you're not gonna hit me, bro. Since there's like a 5-second wait time, I'm gonna drop one there and there. Up. Sweet. Come on, explode. Boom. Hit, target, not hit. That's so nice. How do you get a hit and a target not hit? Ooh, tree. See, I probably would have been able to take out that any tanker. Ow. Any light tank around, because I think that was some decently sized guns. The munitions was nice too. Who's over here? You are. Ooh! That was nice. I'm not gonna lie. Who you? Can't quite drive. About there'll do. Not at all where I was aiming. You all saw that thing glitching out too, right? It wasn't just me. You could see it like, you know? Alright, we'll try that. see where this takes us. That's so nice that you spawned there. And we'll go. We're going there. Yeah, we're going. Oh! Braking power might have been necessary, actually. It's a little weird going from these controls to regular Warthunder's controls. If you're wondering, yes, I am using a controller. Light tank. Light tank, no reaction. Oh no, that's a medium. Wow. Yeah, you can black out actually very easily in mobile, if you didn't know. And it kind of looks like this, and it's really annoying because you have to like yeah, it doesn't really go away that well. And it's really annoying. Like, imagine if your driver just got like a 15-pound shell into his face and then you just couldn't see anything anymore. I also would like to mention I especially like my last video's thumbnail. I hit that. Yeah, I like it because I drew it, and yeah, I sound like an idiot. Hi. I can't do anything. Oh my. Uh-oh. I should have seen that coming. That's the same dude from earlier that I shot. Well. You know how I said I was gonna maybe possibly by chance do a naval battle? I don't know if I will. Should I will. The polygons on that thing was so colorful. I don't care. So this is nice. Let's just look at ships real quick. We got the Spookany. The Spookany, right? That's that. Spookany. Spookany? I don't know. I don't speak Russian. I think that's Russian anyway. I don't know. I really want the USS New Orleans. I think that's the first one of these boats that has a plane on it, so that's why I want it. I also really want any submarine, just to see how it works. The USS Balalo? I don't, however you pronounce that, I want it because it's a submarine and I want to see how it works. Because it seems really cool. Is that a torpedo place right in, like, right? No, it's not. Alright. But I want to see how that works. So, yeah. To battle. Analyze. Future me. Really technical, like, computer sounds. Bam, boom. Air horn. Go. Confetti sounds. Like success, like the da-na. You know what I'm talking about, future me. You know, I'm just gonna be like... I'm just gonna be sitting in my bed, editing this later, and I'm gonna be like, oh my, why did I say these words? No. And I'm gonna regret it a lot. Then I'm gonna realize that, oh, he has a plane. That's nice. I want a plane. Also, half these ships haven't even loaded yet. gun cannot aim, turn the ship. Which, oh, any gun. Dang, bro is really getting like... can I disable his main gun? Just by... I think I can. I also got his battle bridge. Oh. So let's just keep shelling him. Because he's not there apparently. He's just... He was in his plane. Can I just turn a little bit? Ow! That hurt. You deserve these. Alright, can our main caliber turrets... Yeah, we'll put out said fire, please. Yeah, so I would recommend that you didn't. Yeah, don't, please. Ow! Ouch. I mean, I couldn't really do anything about that. So, yeah. I think this might have been a little bit of an unfair matchup. I don't like boats. I'm just gonna say it. Boats are bad. Boats can sink. Have you ever seen a tank that's in its normal habitat sink? Didn't think so. One of you is going to be like, well, actually, and then give me a whole explanation about the Earth just swallowing up tanks, and like, I can't say anything before like 1919, I think, when the first tank was in. Future me, I call upon you. Put up on the screen when tanks were the first tank was invented. There's an airplane flying outside my house. Apologies if that's loud. I cannot control it. So. Well, there's also an airplane sound in the game, so that works perfectly. Now you don't know if it's real or not. Why do they have such futuristic ships? Well, not futuristic, but you get what I mean. You like, they have planes. Ammunition storage destroyed. That's nice. There, I think. Oh. You're not even gonna be... It's a sub! It's a sub below! It's not a sub above, it's below. Oh, that's so cool! Submarines are so cool. I know how to play this game, okay? Let me just... Sweet. Ammo detonated? Oh, there's two. That's so nice. Can you guys, like, help each other? My crew. Can my crew help my crew? That's bad for me. I think I might be dead. Unless... No, I'm fine. Alright. Just had to make sure. That sub seems to be going straight into an island. Alright, let's zoom out a little bit, because I know they're... right there. You are going straight into an island, bud. Ooh! Alright, we're gonna zoom in and bang bang. That is quite the ship. A submarine has been exploded. Did my shells just splash, or am I ghost shelling? I see ghosts existing. I guess I was just either ghost shelling or missing, because also these are some great curve shots. Like bendy. I see no torpedoes. Stop sending alarms if there's no actual torpedoes or threats. Oh, they're just a lot of non-penetrations. Oh, did he die? He died. So it's just the sub left? Or did the sub die? I feel like they shout a lot. There's no bearings anywhere on my screen. Oh, is that the submarine sound? Like the boop 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 boop? Because there's obviously no torpedoes coming from anywhere where a enemy ship might be remotely. So we'll just upgrade our ship real quick. Machinery. Crew is part of the machinery, alright. Alright. Let's just... Didn't want to do that. Let's just, fire rate, apply. That's all we want. To battle. So, we just gotta... See, I try aiming below the guns, and it doesn't explode them instantaneously. As much as I'd like it to. Because, really, I think... The Navy should design boats that just completely deceive the enemy. It looks like if you shot one part of it, it would all fall apart, but that part's the most... it's like, it's connected with like a cable. It's two boats connected by a cable. And that cable... And that cable holds everything together. So, like, the enemy thinks if they shoot the cable, it's just gone. But that cable is, like, the most heavily armored thing. So, as they're just shelling the cable, that boat is able to, like, I don't know. I didn't think this through. Why do you think I paused for so long? I had to think. It didn't go well. And those dots are moving fast. I don't know about you, but those dots are moving pretty fast. So you're saying I should have clear sight of them? Oh, no. No, you're not. Did you say bomber? Oh, destroyer is what you said. Probably. Oh, the way he just turned. Ammunition storage detonated. Now let's get these back guns ammos detonated. Repair, please. Oh, ooh. Inoperative, you say? There's a lot of definitions for inoperative. Could you just not? Get the battle bridge. Help the crew. Ouch, that really hurt. Yeah, we're not gonna stay to watch. Ow. That hurt. And now you see why I don't play naval. I was still in first? Dang. Yeah, now you see why I don't play naval. I'm gonna cut it off there. I don't think I can stand another loss for now. So, just be gone. And still, nobody has voted. Go vote on what I should call you guys. I will decide in like 6 videos if you guys don't vote, which I really would like you to. But anyway, go vote, like, subscribe, all that jazz. I will see you next time.